What's up everybody, my name is Ashley aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we are going to talk about some things that some beginner players should know. Just things that I wish I would have known or kept in mind. So let's get right into it. Bam! Today we're going to cover 7. Number 1, please learn your fundamentals. People just want to skip the fundamentals and go right into the crazy tricks and learn finger spins and learn your speed combos and whatever, but really, you've got to learn the fundamentals first. Not only will you have wins early on by learning tricks like rock the baby and walk the dog, those are also crowd pleasers, so once you show off your tricks to other people, it will be lots of fun. Then when you're having fun with the yo-yo, you're going to be more motivated to learn harder tricks. But if you learn all of your fundamentals too, it will help you understand the basic structure of tricks, so then you can start making your own tricks, and that's when things get interesting. You start making some variations too. You should also know basic yo-yo types like competition yo-yos, bimetal yo-yos, monometal yo-yo. It'll help you down the road when you're buying yo-yos and finding out what you like. Basic yo-yo parts and maintenance are also good fundamentals to learn, so if you're having trouble with a yo-yo and you don't know why, you don't have to go out and buy a brand new yo-yo. Basic maintenance and part fundamentals will really come in handy. Next, all learning speeds in yo-yo are different. I remember spending hours in my backyard just learning how to do a good Eli hop. And guess what? That's completely normal. Some players that you're going to see online will have been playing for maybe 20 years longer than you have, and you won't even realize it. And in competition, you have to know all of the basics of scoring to know how to score high. And beyond all that, there's just going to be some tricks that take you a long time to figure out. So keep in mind, people may have more experience, and then yeah, some people are more naturally talented or have more time to invest in learning how to yo-yo. Do not rush yourself. It's supposed to be fun. Number 3, there is diversity in yo-yos. There are women, people of color, LGBTQ+ members. There's people who speak different languages in different countries, all around the world. There are so many people out there yo-yoing, but you might not see it. You're likely going to be exposed to the same pros in your country because that is how they're going to sell yo-yos and promote yo-yo contests and all that good stuff. That doesn't mean that different groups around the world are not just out there doing their thing. Personally, I'm a biracial woman from the Midwest who's not 30 yet, but we're getting there. So if you're coming from a community that you don't necessarily see in the ads or the videos or the competition streams, don't worry about it. Your people are out there. Come find us. Next, just because you're doing a beginner trick does not mean a pro or sponsored player is gonna crap on you. We all have to start somewhere, and you should not be intimidated by playing with better players. Every pro, sponsored player, competition champion has started with walk the dog. If you're going to a throwers club and you see a professional or a sponsored player there, they are going to welcome you with open arms and try to teach you tricks rather than insult you because you're at a beginner level. If you find someone ragging on your skill or your style, don't pay any mind to it. Number 5, this is not a cheap hobby. Once you start getting into your competition bimetals, or your novelty yo-yos, or your yo-yo strings, or your yo-yo maintenance and parts, or stocking up your yo-yo collection, the prices start to add up. Online sales in the yo-yo community are very popular. You may also get reduced prices from B grades or used yo-yos or open box yo-yos. You can also take part in rewards programs from your favorite yo-yo companies. And down the line, if you do get better and a sponsor recognizes you, you could get a sponsorship and get some stuff for free. If you don't see any of that stuff coming for you right away, that's totally fine. One tip that I would recommend is to find the yo-yo types that you like and really stick with those. Or if you're interested in having a lot of different yo-yos, only buy yo-yos that are completely novel to what you've already have. Number 6, sponsors are all looking for something different. So I thought I would have to be really skilled and compete in competitions and, you know, have my YouTube popping off already to get sponsored. For Rain City Skills, that was not the case. Now, had I developed my style a little bit and gotten some more advanced tricks in my repertoire? Yes. But when you think about other sponsored players from other yo-yo companies, am I the best? No. So if sponsorship is really your goal, relax, develop your style, make yourself different and cool, make yourself stand out, give credit where credit is due, and I think eventually you'll get sponsored too. And finally, number 7, developing a style takes time. Like I mentioned, it's really good to start with beginner tricks, but it's also really easy to fall right back into the stuff that you've been doing the whole time and just practicing the same trick over and over and over and over. And that is completely fine. There's no reason that you have to rush into a style. You should just be able to have fun and watch other players and develop your style from there. Ultimately, your style's still gonna be a little different. Things as little as the music you decide to throw to will make you a different type of player. I think if you're developing something for competition, you might want to put more focus on the style, but if you're just having fun with yo-yoing, don't worry about it too much. It will come with time. And there you have it. Those are my 7 tips that you should keep in mind when you start yo-yoing. The common link for all of these is just have fun and do what you want, learn at your own pace, and really don't worry about what everyone else is doing or who's gonna sponsor you or if you won your competition or not. Really just explore what you want to do and have a good time with it. If you have questions or comments, leave them below and always be respectful. And my name is Ashley, aka AT Yo-Yo Superstar. We'll see you next time.